I rode to Baguio with my body, my bike, and a broken heart. I feel that I have mastered the art of concealment, hiding my feelings so I don't break down and cry, but I still do though. Life has been pretty busy lately. I take it as my advantage because I don't have the time to be miserable. Besides, every day is a day to be grateful. Despite what I have lost, I still gained so much. But losing something or someone still hurts though. But some roads you just have to take in order to get tougher. Like this trip to Baguio. Driving and riding are completely different. To lose all sense of protection from the road and just be left alone to fend off whatever danger the road has in store. That's riding, but you can also call it freedom. Free from the false sense of comfort, protection, and whatever deception that the world has to offer. It feels like putting on armor and going to war, or if I may be so bold, becoming explorers of the unknown. Like the Bible, every ride is different. There's always something new to learn and experience, but as we all know, we are never alone. Here's my friend Musa to travel along. So begins our journey to Baguio City. They say communication is my weakness, and I agree. That's why I bought a Cardo, and we are like monkeys figuring how to make this work. We're not sponsored by the way, but Cardo, baka naman.
May music din ako. Music ka din, oo. Ready? Wala ka palang susi, pre! Safe ride! Let's go! Guys, stopover muna kami. By the way guys, ang gamit ko yan, yung Royal Enfield, our favorite bike. Then si Monte pala yung gamit ni Musa. Malupit ang ginawa niya dito. Tinali niya yung bag. Galing eh. Nga naman, pwede nga naman yun. Ayos up. Yung sa akin guys, yung ginamit ko dyan, lagyan ko ng pannier. Yan siya. Okay naman siya guys. Akala ko nung una nakakatakot baka bumigay, pero matibay naman siya. Then tank bag lang din tayo. Yun lang naman setup natin. Yan guys, magti-treats muna kami. Okay din yung gantong vlogging eh, no? Kaysa yung kung vlog lang din. Oo. Yung mga pang selfie. Masarap yung camera pag iba yung kinukuhanan mo. Pero pag sarili mo, okay na yung ganito eh.
Tsaka malinaw naman mga quality ng ano ngayon.
Magki-cringe ka lang din naman eh. Uy, yan naman magandang ano dito guys, drinks. Joke lang. Ayoko na, corny. Wanna ride? Inayos ko yung audio guys. Kanina kasi parang subasabog yung audio ko. Nakikisama ang panahon guys. Kanina sobrang init ngayon oh. Makulimlim na ulit. Ikaw?
Nakaset na tayo dun.
Sige. Oo, para makapag ano tayo, may rason gumala.
Tiyak, magpapagkasli naman tayo.
Yun na yung papahangin guys, mahangin na kasi kami. Guys, pupunta na kami sa Baguio! Wow! Super Mission! Next week! We're 2 hours away. 2 hours away na kami from Baguio. Sarap! Sarap namin! Hindi. Rosario, exit na kami. Okay lang yan, take a break tayo ng konti. Sakit na ng tailbone ko. Nakita ng tiyan ko. Kaya, may tropa ako pre. Lagi siya nag-i-stretching eh. Ano, game na? Tara? Let's go! Go, go, go! Ayun, di mo pala ako naka-GPS. Ito na yan, kain na daw ba? Kakayanan road tayo pupunta sa Baguio. Mukhang open naman now, sabi ni pare. Kaya pala balak kayang rin hostel. Touchdown guys, we're at the Lion. Lion. The Lion said, ba't ba liyo ng Baguio? Bakit liyo ng Baguio?
Kasi malamig.
Ano connect? Dalawa tayo. Hindi ako gas-pato ka pala.
Di ba?
Gas-pato na. Bye, Lion!
After 300 kilometers, we finally made it to Baguio. Something about this city that makes me feel serene. A word not often heard, but it's the only word that could describe the cold but calm city that sits atop a mountain.
Saan ang pasok natin? Guys, dito na kami sa may hotel. Aura 1 Hotel. Nagluluto siya ng tubig. Sige, ng tubig. Malalaman natin kung hindi nabasa ang ating mga kagamitan. Pre, hindi na yan ambon, pre. Ang lakas, oh.
It was raining hard that night. Just as much as I wanted to get loose. To be lost in a city that doesn't know me. A feeling familiar to the broken-hearted.
Buti na lang bumili ako ng wide lens, oh. Wide lens! Eh, parang awesome mo lang din, eh. Taxi tayo. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Mabihira. Ayan, oh. Wala. Grab, pre. Grab food. Pero syempre, ngayon lang kami, isang araw lang kami dito. Bukas uwi na kami. Pipilit namin makapunta sa Cove, ano ba rin. Diba? Kasi kakanta ako dun eh. Diba? Sayang naman. Eh, minsan lang tayo dito, pagbigyan natin yung, yung mga lokal. Cozy Cove! Eat, eat! Hey! Ganda! Ginagdang-gitong ako eh. Mabira yung ba namang ngayon ka pala kakain. Sa hindi po nakakaalam, yung mga sumulat kami ng kanta na parang dito talaga, specific for that event. Yes. And that's, hindi pa sure to guys pero ang pinag-uusapang date ay November. November 1. Para sa mga patay. Ang name po ng event namin is Patay na Patay.
Cozy Dead.
Cozy. Kasi di ba cozy ko? So parang siya. Cozy.
Sorry po.
Basher talaga itong kasama ko to eh. Kung ano nang sinasabi.
Ano ko yan? Sinisend ko naman kayo.
Wala, hindi story ko pre kasi wala na akong pinagsasendan eh. Yabang na yung Musa, nagayaan na maglakad. Hindi ba niya alam yung oras? Mag-aalas siya.
Taxi nga eh.
Taxi na kami guys kasi may narinig kami sumigaw. Bro! Ayaw ko dyan. Ganun ba dito?
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Dito yan sila.
Kala ko kasi ganun eh. Saan na tayo, boss? Pre, grabe yun si ate.
8 minutes daw.
Active yun si madam. Kaya ganun. Si Street. Weh. Iba yung hingal dito ah. Nalaro mo na ba yung Cyberpunk? May gantong intro yun eh. Ay, yung kasama si Jackie Wells. Ewan ko sa mga gamer dyan. Cyberpunk 2077. May mga angas na intro dun. Tuwa ako sa intro ng kasi POV yun eh. Let's try.
Hello there, Night City! Stanley here with you, and we got another day ahead of us in this city of dreams. Ooh, I love this town. Love it like you might love a mother who popped you out on the steps of an orphanage once and now stops you to ask if you got a smoke for her.
Gilid na gilid eh.
Every new day here means 100 new arrivals, but only half these gonks will survive a year, and that's if it's a good one. And why do these peeps come to NC? Well, to be street samurai like Morgan, Blackhand, and Waylon Boa Boa. The greater the risk, the bigger the bounty, kids. Or so they say. But you can only be a Major League player for so long. The faster you live, the faster you burn out. If you don't get a bullet to the brain
Hey guys,
first.
we're about to go home now. Time is 9:22. We're going home. So
It was a rather short break, but not short of lessons. I learned that it's possible to be genuinely happy even when you're genuinely hurt. I learned that the road is long, so you have to pace yourself. I learned that you can't heal the heart. It's going to take time, but it really doesn't matter because time will never stop. Not for you, not even for me. Time will come when we're healed and just grateful for the time. See you all in our next trip.
I wanna Seasons change once again, staring